Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Really simple design, really easy to draw, just with a few steps. Take a polygon tool, make it a 6-sided polygon, hold down the control button so you get a perfect polygon, and I'm going to hit P, which really doesn't matter in this case. But then I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees and get a flat piece. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate while holding down the Shift key so it'll grow inwardly. And then this is where you can pick on how many bars you want. We're just going to go to Blend. So I went to Effects and Blend. And I'm going to blend them just 4 times. That'll give us enough. Now what I want to do is break the blend apart. So a lot of times you have to select it all to break the blend apart. And I'm going to take that one right there. I'm going to make a duplicate. And I'm going to move it till it snaps to right there. So it's, if you have Snap to on, Objects and Page and Guideline, this would be the object one. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on any color. I'm going to go ahead and use blue. I'm going to nudge that out of the way twice. So I've got my 3 bars. I'm going to nudge this up. I'm going to nudge this back. I'm going to go ahead and group this together. Because then I'm going to use, and you can make it all blue, but we're going to add a little color to it. And I'm just going to go straight up, and I'm going to put light blue there. I might throw in some curves here. Green. See, the light blue kind of gets shadowed over, but you could bring it down. Let's put a red in just to show you what you could do, and you could do more than that. Now, here's the key, which I did not do on this one. But if we go up to Edit and Clone, double click on it and move the rotation. Let me zoom in. When you double click, you get the rotation and put it right there. Rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, 120 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. You've already got the object. The good thing with the clone tool, if you see you have a group of 3 objects, clone group. But if we go to the interactive fill tool, we can change this, and it's changing them all. Let's put a red now there. See how it completely changed all of them. I call it live time. You can call it whatever you want, because it's changing it as you do it. It's changing all of them. You get to see what it looks like. You know, you can move things around, and then it always with the interactive fill tool, you can smooth it out, and it'll completely change, kind of fuzzies it up. But there you have a pretty ugly coloration, but a pretty cool design that you could do a lot with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.